located on Baffin Island on the Cumberland Peninsula. April 2003. A film crew and a few more people were traveling from Pang to Iqaluit, the capital of Nunavut in Canada. A life-threatening blizzard trapped their 8-seater aircraft, and they couldn't contact the ATC at Iqaluit since it was shut due to bad weather. The visibility was zero. Accompanying them on this trip was a very special man. Call it a miracle. The pilots experienced something magical in air, and the rest became an incredible tale of positive thinking and believing in the guiding force in adverse conditions.
Control for Charlie Foxtrot 124. There is a snowstorm. I repeat, there is a snowstorm.
Control repeats, I cannot hear you. I repeat, I cannot hear you.
Port Iqaluit not operational. I repeat, airport not operational. 124, do you read me? Over.
Okay, I'm getting a response.
Control for Charlie Foxtrot 124. Airport Iqaluit shut down due snowstorm.
Oh my god, there's a snowstorm.
Airport Iqaluit shut down due snowstorm. Do you read? Do you copy? Over.
Ladies and gentlemen, you may have noticed I have turned the plane around. There is a major blizzard and Iqaluit has closed their airport, and there is no way we can land.
I'll never forget that day. It was April 2003 when we were on our way to Pangnirtung. I think Gurudev must have seen this coming. It was perhaps the only time that I went against Gurudev's wishes.
Marcy, from Pang, we will leave by 3.
No, Gurudev, you have a talk at 5 p.m. We leave post that.
I never knew I'd learn my lesson so soon. The airport remained closed due to the blizzards. We had to stay back in Pang overnight. Each day we all walked around the village, visited the grocery store, sat in the snow, and meditated.
Marcy, tell the pilot we will leave now.
Okay, Gurudev.
Weather in this part of the world can remain bad for days and days. I knew these northern pilots were among the best and could land the plane anywhere. However, you could freeze in the middle of nowhere. I conveyed the message to the pilot. We will leave now.
Control, ready for takeoff. Ignition. Altimeter. Fuel. Okay, let's go. What to do? The airport is closed.
The fuel is less. We can't go back.
We have to let them know.
Yes, you are right.
Oh my god. Ladies and gentlemen, I am very sorry. The weather has taken a turn for the worse. We are not getting any instructions from the ATC. And we're low on fuel. And we can't turn back. I am sorry. I am very sorry. We are down on fuel. We may not be able to land. I don't know what to do.
What to do? Gurudev, he says he cannot land.
Gurudev, we are not at all worried. I don't feel fear.
Me neither. Gurudev, should we chant Om Namah Shivaya?
Let's chant.
Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.
Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah.
I don't think they are aware of the consequences. Did you see that? Unbelievable. I see an opening. Let's punch it. Go! Go! I found the landing spot. $3,000 feet. 1,500. Here we go.
The approach was very rough and bumpy, as was the landing. Everything above was whited out again. The airport was indeed closed.
Who are you? You're not supposed to be here.
We just landed.
You did what? How did you land in this weather?
We had no choice.
We had to shut down the whole airport. It's impossible to land in such conditions.
Jesus.